Hi, I'm Jackie Stesick, Sales and Marketing Director of Multi-Trade Building Services. This is Love Your Home, where we talk about everything renovation and home maintenance related. Today, I want to walk you through 5 costly bathroom renovation mistakes and how you can avoid them. Because let's be honest, a bathroom renovation is not something you want to do twice. Mistake number 1 is choosing looks over function. It's so easy to fall in love with beautiful photos online, gorgeous vanities, trendy layouts, but if the space doesn't function well for your daily routine, it becomes frustrating really quickly. Think about how you actually use the bathroom. Do you need more counter space, better flow, more room to move? A beautiful bathroom is great, but a functional one is what you'll appreciate every single day. Mistake number 2 is poor lighting. Lighting is one of the most overlooked parts of a bathroom renovation, and it can make a huge difference. If you've ever tried to do your makeup or shave in bad lighting, you know exactly what I mean. You want a combination of lighting. Overhead lighting, but also proper task lighting around the mirror. It's a small detail that has a big impact. Mistake number 3 is not planning enough storage. This is a big one. A bathroom might look clean and minimal in photos, but in real life, you need space for everything. Towels, toiletries, cleaning supplies. Without proper storage, things end up cluttered really fast. Drawers, cabinets, even built-in niches can make a huge difference in keeping your space organized and functional. Mistake number 4 is using the wrong materials in wet areas. Bathrooms deal with constant moisture, so choosing the right materials is critical. Not all products are designed for that kind of environment, and using the wrong ones can lead to issues like swelling, mold, or premature wear. This is one of those areas where cutting corners can end up costing you much more in the long run. Mistake number 5 is hiring based on price alone. I get it. Renovations are a big investment, but choosing the lowest quote without understanding what's included can lead to a lot of stress later on. Not all quotes are created equal, and sometimes the lower price means something important has been left out. It's always worth taking the time to understand exactly what you're getting. At the end of the day, a bathroom renovation should make your life easier, not more stressful. Avoiding these common mistakes can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. If you're thinking about starting a bathroom renovation and you want some guidance, we're always happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.